Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to History Chronicles. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a very small but extremely practical Linux command, the which command. Which, if you are working in Linux as a system administrator, DevOps engineer, or developer, you probably type commands like Python, ls, kubectl, Terraform, and other commands. But you ever wondered, so where exactly is this command located on your system, on my system? That's exactly where the which command becomes useful. So what does the which command do? The which utility helps you find the full path of an executable file by searching through the directories listed in your system's path environment, in this environment variable. So in simple terms, when you type command in the terminal, Linux checks multiple directories listed in path. So let's do echo path. So Linux checks this, which shows where that executable is found. This makes it very helpful when debugging environment issues. So, or verifying installed programs, or checking multiple versions of the same tool, or understanding which binary is being executed. So basic syntax: which command, which, options, and command name. Let's break it down. Options: modify how the command behaves, and command name, the executable you want to locate. So let's find out where ls command lives, which ls. So ls command lives in this path. That tells us the exact binary Linux run when we type ls. You can check several executables in a single command. For example, which, ls, Python. So we don't have Python installed on our system. Let's check out Terraform. So we see both executables, user bin ls, user bin Terraform. By default, which shows only the first match, but sometimes you may have multiple versions of the same executable. But to display all matches, you can use which -a, for example, ls. So we have two executables for ls command. This is especially important in the DevOps environment where in your system multiple Python versions may exist. If which command doesn't return anything, usually one of this is true. The program is not installed. The executable is not inside the directory listed in path environment. The command is in shell built in. So remember, which works only executable in path environment. It doesn't detect shell built-in commands. For example, which cd might return nothing because cd is built into the shell. You can combine which command with substitution. For example, echo which Terraform is installed on our system. And we see that Terraform is installed on our system. So this technique is useful in shell scripting and automation script. You can jump even directly to the directory where command resides. So cd $, zero name, $, which Terraform. So now we are in user bin's directory where located our Terraform. These commands find Terraform full path, exact the directory names, change into the directory. Very useful when troubleshooting binaries. How which command actually works? Internally, which command scans the directories listed in this environment variable. So path in this variable. It scans these directories. Linux checks if the directory is that last until it finds the matching executable. The first match is what normally get executed. Why this matter in real world environment? You may have multiple versions, for example, Java or Python versions. You can use in CI pipelines may use different binaries. So path misconfiguration may break deployments. Also, containers may override default binaries. Understanding which command helps you debug this situation faster. So that's all in this lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget like, subscribe, and check the rest of the Linux command series. See you in the next lesson.